Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products available. Today, we're taking a look at the 9 Sheets Halloween Nail Art Stickers, some of the best horror-themed nail decals you can find. If you're a fan of spooky designs and want to elevate your Halloween manicure, then this set of nail stickers is for you. These stickers feature a variety of chilling and creative designs, including scary film characters, ghost faces, skulls, vampires, and intricate spider webs. Whether you're dressing up for a Halloween party or simply want to add some spooky flair to your everyday look, these nail stickers will certainly make your nails stand out. What makes these stickers great is their high-quality self-adhesive design. They're incredibly easy to apply, no glue or special skills required. Just peel, stick, and press down, and you're good to go. And don't worry about them falling off or fading. These stickers are durable and long-lasting, ensuring your nails stay spooky for days. Plus, they're sweat-proof and won't leave behind any residue when removed, making them a safe option for both kids and adults. Another key feature is their versatility. These decals are designed for all ages, so whether you're a kid, a teenager, or an adult, you'll find these designs perfect for any occasion. You can use them for a DIY Halloween manicure at home or take them to the salon for a professional look. The 3D stickers provide a textured effect that gives your nails a more dynamic and eye-catching appearance. The stickers come in a variety of designs, so you have plenty of options to choose from. From creepy vampires to eerie skulls, there's something for everyone in this pack. And for those who want extra shine and durability, applying a top coat will help the designs last even longer. So, whether you're a nail art enthusiast or just looking to add a little extra Halloween spirit to your fingertips, these 9 Sheets Halloween nail art stickers are a must-have. They're easy to apply, fun to wear, and perfect for getting into the Halloween spirit. If you're ready to try them out, you can find them on Amazon. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more exciting product reviews.